Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing another vlog. I think quarantine vlogs are kind of fun because it's literally just me not really doing anything, just like relaxing, and it's gonna be like fun to look back on and stuff. And you guys seem to really like when I do more like chill vlogs. I don't really know why. I kind of get it though because it's relaxing and nice to watch sometimes. It's just gonna be nice to look back on and watch what I was doing during quarantine and stuff. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna put some sheets on my bed. I just washed my old sheets and I don't think I'm gonna put the same ones back on because these are like the more like flannel ones for winter, and it's getting so hot where I live, so I'm gonna grab some newer sheets that are like a little bit cooler. I actually got ready today also. I don't know why getting ready makes me feel so good, but after not having done it for a really long time, it's just nice to like look in the mirror and see myself all like put together, I guess. I'm gonna put these on right now and fold my old sheets. I just found a charger that I have been looking for the longest time, and it's the one that came with my new phone, so it has like a different plug, and I've had the box for it, like this part, forever, and it doesn't work with like the normal chargers. It has to be this one. This is the best day ever. Alright, bed is made. Now I'm gonna clean up my room a little bit because it's kind of messy. I just have some clothes. Those are my mom's because I washed them with my sheets for her. I have my coffee. I have my like keyboard stand out because I got out my old keyboard the other day and I put batteries in it because I wanted to play piano at night, and I didn't want to like bother my parents or anything because obviously like I can't play the grand piano if they're going to bed. So I pulled out my old keyboard and then I got it to work, which I was really excited about because it wouldn't turn on for the longest time. And then I ended up finding my old like stand for it too. So I was just playing piano in my room. I'll show you guys what song I was learning in a little bit because it's actually really cool. It's a song from TikTok. It's called What Falling in Love Feels Like. It's by like Jake something. I'll put his username on the screen, but he wrote that song and it's beautiful. And I found like a tutorial for it on YouTube, so I've just been learning it for the past like 3 days, and it's really pretty. So I'll show you guys in a little bit, but right now I'm gonna clean up my room and put a bunch of stuff away. Alright, I'm pretty much done with my room, I think. It looks a lot better now. I still have some clothes out, and then I have like my keyboard and the stand out because all those things go in my closet, and I'm gonna be doing a closet clean out video really soon. It was actually gonna be today's video, but it was just too much for me. My uploading schedule has been getting like really overwhelming. It's really hard for me to be doing 2 videos a week. I'm gonna keep doing it, like I'm gonna keep trying, but it's just getting pretty difficult. I wanted to film the closet clean out video today, but I knew I wouldn't be able to finish it in one day, so I would have to bring it into tomorrow too, so I could upload it on Wednesday because today is Monday. But if I'm filming today and tomorrow, then I would only have like tomorrow night to edit, and like I just can't do that to myself again. Staying up really late to edit is not always fun, and then spending like most of the next day editing is just like not ideal. So I decided I would do a vlog for today's video, and then on Sunday I think I'm gonna do the closet clean out video because then it'll give me like a whole week to film and edit it, so that's gonna be really nice. I'm hoping that video turns out well. But my point is I can't put that other stuff away in my closet yet because I do not have any room. I don't have any hangers left in my closet. I still need to go through it, get rid of a bunch of stuff. Like I haven't even started filming that video yet, so I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. We'll see though, because I also have my English class tomorrow. Ugh, this is gonna be hard. Anyways, you guys get the point. Still have a few things left out in my room. I'm gonna put the sheets away right now. I'll show you guys that song I was learning on piano too. We're gonna see if I can play this song, but I just started learning it 3 days ago, so it's definitely gonna have some mistakes in there, but I'm gonna play it for you guys anyways. I might just take a little bit and try to like learn it, but I also kind of want to watch a movie because I've been playing piano a lot today already. Honestly, what sounds really nice right now is just like popping some popcorn because I haven't had popcorn in like a really long time, and then watching like an old Disney movie or something. I don't know why, but that just sounds so nice, just to like sit down and just not do anything for a little while. I think later I'm gonna go on a walk too. Yeah, okay, anyways, I'm gonna play the song now. I'm kind of scared. I've only played piano on my channel once, besides like my old piano videos. Those don't really count. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna stop stalling. messed up at the end. This is weird. I don't play piano on my channel very often. Yeah, that's what the song sounds like. I definitely messed up at the end. The end is like stupid hard. Well, that's not like the whole song. That is just everything I've learned in the past 3 days. I still have a lot left of the song, and the rest is gonna be like even harder. I'm sure you guys have all heard that song on TikTok because it's really, really popular. It's so pretty. A bunch of my friends have sent it to me and told me to learn it, so I'm finally doing it. I'm really craving an enchilada right now. I don't know why, just all day I've been craving one of my grandma's cheese enchiladas. I just want to eat something. This is bad. This is not healthy. I've actually been wanting to do some of Chloe Ting's workouts because I feel like everyone has been doing those and they seem to be working, and they're like easy things that you can like do at home, you know, but I just haven't had the willpower to start. But yeah, I'll probably start the workouts eventually, I say as I'm about to pop a bag of popcorn. I'm gonna use this vlog to hold me accountable. So in my next vlog, whenever that may be, if I don't tell you guys that I've started the Chloe Ting's workout, you need to like yell at me in the comments. Okay, the popcorn's popping. I need to find a movie that I can watch. All done. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They have a lot of scary movies on here, but if you know me, you know I'm not a fan of scary movies. I'm just a little scaredy cat, so I just can't. Should I watch something that I've seen before that I know I'm gonna like, or should I watch something new? Sleepless in Seattle, that's a good one. If you haven't seen that, you should watch it. I think I'm gonna watch Call Me By Your Name. It'll probably be easier to watch in the living room because then I can just like be a little more comfy and watch it on the TV. But I've heard really good things about that movie, so we'll see. Call Me By Your Name on Prime Video. So it is the next day. Last night, I didn't do much else. I watched the movie. It was pretty good. I didn't really like know anything about it going into it, but I just wouldn't like recommend watching it if you're like really young, if you don't have like a parent's permission or anything, because I think it's rated R. I can guess that it's rated R, but it was beautiful. It was really well done. And then after that, my parents got home and I actually fixed dinner last night, which is weird because I never do that, but it was fun. We just had breakfast for dinner. Oh yeah, and then I was on Zoom with 3 of my friends, Corinne, Carly, and Amanda. We've been doing like little like social distancing meetups, and we'll just like park our cars and sit in the trunks and like make sure we stay 6 feet apart. But that's literally the closest I've been to like seeing them really. And we've only done that like maybe like 3 times? No, like 2 times I think, but it's not the same obviously. But if you do want to meet up with your friends, that's like a great alternative because you're still social distancing, but you're being really safe and you're hanging out with your friends still. Just make sure you don't get too close or anything. But I think that's pretty much it. We played like Pictionary. There's like an online, like it's called like scribble.io or something like that, and we all just joined it and like split our screens basically, and so we were all still on Zoom, but we had like the Pictionary game going and it was really fun. I definitely recommend doing that with your friends. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I did yesterday. That was like an average day in my life in quarantine. That was definitely one of the more like chill ones where I didn't really do much, and then the other days you guys see are just like me filming and editing and stuff. So I actually just filmed a video today. My room is like crazy messy right now. My closet doors are completely out. I don't know if you can see them right there. They're just gone. This is kind of a sneak peek of Sunday's video. I'm sure you can guess what it is, but I filmed that today. That's why I'm like kind of like dressed up a little bit, because usually I don't look like this like in quarantine. But yeah, so I think that is about it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want me to do any more like this. Leave some requests down below because I have a lot of time on my hands. I have one video that I'm gonna do soon. I had to order stuff from Amazon for it and I'm really excited about it. It was inspired by Ava Jules and TikTok. So if you can guess what it is, leave it in the comments. I don't know when that's gonna be, but it's gonna be sometime soon. I'm really excited for it because it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be really fun to film. But anyways, I'm getting off topic. I feel like I always do this in outros, especially in vlogs. I just start talking about literally whatever I want and then I just don't stop. So I'm gonna stop now. If you guys watched up until this point, comment star, because that's what my earring is. Actually, also, if you watched up until this point, leave a request for a video that you want to see that I haven't done yet, or one that I have done yet. I don't know, whatever you guys want. Or if you're too lazy, like I would probably be, just comment star. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would really help me out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.